Hey everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to display related posts in your listings or on your post pages with the help of JetEngine plugin. So let's go to JetEngine listings and let's open a listing that I have created before. I'll go to edit with Elementor and it opens my listing in the Elementor editor. And let's say I want the related post to be displayed right here. And I'll search for the listing grid widget and I'll drop it right under all the other widgets. And here I'll choose the listing that I want to be applied. So now it pulled out all the posts. Here you can set the number of columns and the number of posts that you want to be displayed in your grid. I'll go with 6 and the 3 columns. Here in the post query, you can select what posts are going to be displayed in this module. You click Add Item and choose the type of the item that you want to be set. I choose Post Parameters, and here you can include the posts by IDs, exclude them by IDs, get children of certain posts, and get posts with the certain status. But here, as you can see, in the listing grid, we also have the same post that we have above. And JetEngine plugin allows you to exclude the current post from this grid, so you're not seeing the same post twice. This can be done with the help of macros. You can check out JetEngine documentation to find out more. But now I'll go to Exclude Post by IDs field and paste this macros, and now it has excluded the current post from the grid. Another cool thing that you can do is to include the post of the certain category or having the certain tags. You need to choose the text query. And the widget will pull out all the posts that belong to the same category that your current post does. As you see, there is a lot more functionality that you can use to tweak the look of your related posts grid. Here's also the Terms query tab that you can also customize. And as I have said, you can add the same related post grid to your post pages as well. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, leave your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.